Hello and welcome to Kathleen Color. Today I am doing a red and gold glam look on my beautiful model Taylor. Red and gold are such a beautiful combination, and it's great any time of the year. So let's get started. I started Taylor's look with Lancome's La Bosse Pro to prime the skin. Next, I applied Lancome's Tintidol foundation to even out her skin tone. Blush came next. I applied a warm toned blush on the apples of her cheeks for a soft flush. I then brushed bronzer across her forehead, just under her cheekbones, and the outer perimeter of her face. To prime the eyes, I brushed Lancome's Aquatique from lash to brow. Shadow came next. I started with the flesh-toned sheen shadow, brushed it from lash to brow. I then patted a gold shimmer shade on the lids. By patting the shadow, it will be more intense than traditional wiper motions. To add shape and definition, I blended a brown shade in the crease and on the outer corner. I placed a metallic gold shade on the inner corners of the eyes for brightening. For framing, I took the same brown crease shade and brushed it under the eyes. Taylor has great brows, so I just filled them in just a bit with a powdery pencil. For lashes, I decided to use a Lash & Go liner adhesive to apply false lashes. You simply apply the liner across the lash line and then press the lashes in. To clean up under the eye area, I applied concealer across and on the inner nose area. I then applied mascara to finish the eyes and added a little more concealer for a flawless look. To set the makeup, I dusted powder all over the face with a large fluffy brush. And to complete the look, I applied garnet lip liner to her lips for shape and definition, and then filled in her lips with Lancome's Rubies lipstick. To clean up lipstick edges and prevent bleeding, I brushed a little foundation around the lips. Gorgeous and glam. And here's the final look. Red and gold are great for any occasion. Thanks for watching. You can follow me on Instagram at Kathleen Color. Hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Remember, life is better in color.